The disadvantages of nuclear power plants. Building a nuclear power plant can either be an advantage or a disadvantage. However, are there more negative effects than positive? Nuclear plants are used for their ability to still be able to produce energy when coal and oil become sparse. Moreover, it does not create pollution in our environment, which is a fact that most people would admire. However, after we finished our research, we concluded that building a nuclear power plant has more negative effects than it does positive. Therefore, we are against the building of a plant. One of the main disadvantages and what makes a nuclear power plant so dangerous are the inadequately trained workers inside the plant. Irresponsible decisions and careless actions can lead to fatal accidents. Even worse, it can be used for military purposes, as demonstrated in World War II when the United States dropped atomic bombs on Japan. Other disadvantages are the possibility of terrorist attacks, explosions, and its radiation, and the possibility of a nuclear meltdown, just like in the 3 Mile Island accident. The accident on 3 Mile Island was caused by a partial nuclear meltdown in one of the reactors in Pennsylvania. This caused small amounts of radioactive gases and radioactive iodine to be released into the air. The accident was mainly caused by a lack of responsibility by one of the workers inside the plant. The Chernobyl tragedy was the result of a flawed reactor design that was operated by inadequately trained personnel. The workers disabled the automatic shutdown mechanisms, which would have prevented the reactor from exploding and killing over 25 people. Over 5% of the reactor's radiation was released into the atmosphere. There are 30 recorded deaths in this accident, and even thousands more are expected to die from cancers caused by exposure to radiation. Nuclear waste is also a major concern. The radioactivity can last a long time, which renders it to be hazardous. The hazard factor makes it difficult to find a long-term disposal facility for it. Without a good storage facility, the waste can be harmful to the environment and cause pollution. Therefore, we are against nuclear power plants. Although there are many advantages to having them, innocent lives should not be at risk for the expense of making energy. And now that you have the facts, where do you stand on nuclear energy and the building of nuclear power plants?